Wells Fargo to PayPal transfer. In this video, I'm going to be quickly explaining to you how you can use Wells Fargo, a very well-known banking application, and how you can use this to send money to your PayPal accounts. Now, the whole process of sending money to your PayPal is extremely easy, and it's extremely simple to, add some type of amount like this for yourself. So, if you come over to Wells Fargo's very own website and go over to the mobile payments and PayPal section, here you're going to see it says Wells Fargo plus PayPal, fast secure payments online and on the go. You can get started right away. Add eligible Wells Fargo debit and credit cards to PayPal through the Wells Fargo mobile app or using Wells Fargo online. So on your mobile device, you can simply go ahead and follow these instructions. So in the Wells Fargo mobile app, tap Menu on the bottom right, select Card Settings, and tap Digital Wallet. Now, when you go over to Digital Wallet, it's going to give you all eligible digital wallets for your device to display. You can tap on PayPal on the Add Cards to Digital Wallets screen. Then the third step is adding the cards to PayPal. So in the Add Cards to PayPal screen, select from the list of eligible cards and accept the Wells Fargo terms and conditions. You will automatically move to PayPal to complete their setup, and your card is now ready for use with PayPal. So that's the way to do it through a mobile app. Now, if you want to do it online through your browser, what you're going to do is sign on to Wells Fargo Online. You're going to go over to Manage Cards under the Accounts menu and then select Add Cards to Wallet. Then it says you're going to select PayPal as the digital wallet on the Add Cards to Digital Wallets screen. And finally, select from the list of eligible cards and click on Add to PayPal. Then accept the Wells Fargo terms and conditions, and automatically you will go to the PayPal website to set your account up and you're good to go. So, adding your money from Wells Fargo to PayPal is one of the best ways to, transfer money around through Wells Fargo because you can pay securely. So after linking your card to PayPal, you can check out with the email address and password that you use to log into PayPal. Now, merchants do not see or store your full card number. You will also have the added security of 24/7 fraud monitoring and zero liability protection. Also, it's quite easy to use, so when you shop in app or online, look for the PayPal logo, and after logging in, you can skip entering your financial information every time that you will make a purchase. So yeah, basically that's the main idea on how you're going to use Wells Fargo to transfer to PayPal. So if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me and I'll see all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.